Welcome to Personal Development, Lesson 27, Career Option based on Career Development Concept and Personal Life Goals. So for the objectives, we have here, identify career option based on different factors, career development, and your personal life goals. So, what is career? Ano nga ba yung career? So, a career refers to an individual chosen profession or occupation. A career usually uses your skills and talents while providing the fulfillment and the sense of purpose. Ito daw yung definition natin ng career. Yung iyo daw chosen profession or yung gusto mong maging trabaho. Next, the importance of this is planning and assessing that your career pathway are precise process, not to mention this, may dictate your success in achieving your personal and professional goals. It is too important that you consider career option that may be best suited to your goals. Okay? So, dapat ito ay suited on your goals and look into a various factors that may assist you in your career development. So, some of the career pathways na meron tayo dito is the home economics, industrial arts, ICT, agriculture, and fishery. So, and under the home economics, yung food and food services sa industrial, we have here the automotive technology, ICT, yung photo editing natin, the agriculture and fishery, yung plant production. So, these are the some of the career pathways na pwede natin tahakin. But what is it? There are different considerations that affect an individual when it comes to deciding on how you act toward achieving your personal goals. And although people are distinct from their goals and are different from achieving so there are similar concepts and factors that you always have to look into it when it comes to career development. So career development concept, meron tayong Bandura Social Cognitive Theory. And according to Bandura Social Cognitive Theory, uh, the social cognitive theory of Albert Bandura elaborates the self-efficacy. So kapag sinabi nating self-efficacy, an individual characteristic where a person perform in a certain level of work according to his or her confidence to accomplish tasks, okay? And this confidence is an outcome of someone's past activities, experiences, and accomplishment where he or she develops certain level of performance. So, ibig sabihin, self-efficacy, ito yung kakayahan mong gawin yung isang bagay dahil ikaw ay may husay at alam na gawin yung isang bagay. So, in career development concept, meron tayong tinatawag na Super's Career Development Theory. And according to Donald Super's theory, postulate that a person undergoes several stages in career development, synthesizing into 5. Super outlined 5 developmental stages that occur in the career development of an individual. So, ito daw yung parang pinagdadaanan, and that is according to Donald Super's theory. Number 1 daw, we have a growth. And under the growth, ito ay at the age of 4 to 13. So children develop their wants, capacities, behavior, socialization skill, and general view of the world. So ito yung parang dinidevelop pa nila yung mga bagay-bagay. And for the number 2, we have here the exploration at the age of 14 to 24. So, ibig sabihin, andito kayo sa exploration stage. People try to find themselves in the world through identifying their hobbies, groups, and experiences, diba? Ito kasi yung moment na ina-identify nyo pa ano ba yung gusto nyong hobby, ano ba yung gusto nyong mga group, ano ba yung gusto nyong experiences na maranasan. In this stage, they identify tentative choices. Kasi dito din nalilito kayo, di ba? Until they reach their permanent occupation. So, until na kompleto mo or ma-identify mo sa sarili mo, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. And the establishment, eto, dadating kayo dito at the age of 25 to 44. So, individual are set to their appropriate position but still strive for advancement, okay? Nag-strive pa rin kayo for advancement. And for number 4, we have here the maintenance. Ito yung age of the 45 to 65. So people proceed to continual adjustment, challenging themselves to explore to better grounds, and they try to update their competencies and innovate ways by which they can approach their field of work. And for number 5, disengagement over 65 years old na to. So people to start disengage na themselves from the workforce. So retired na. They concentrate on a retirement planning and retirement living. So, eto daw yung mga super career developmental theory natin according to Donald Suffer's theory. So, career development factors, an individual may be intrinsically or extrinsically motivated depend upon the strength of influence of numerous factors found on him. Okay? So, ano ba tayo? Motivated ba tayo intrinsically or motivated ba tayo extrinsically? Okay? Pag sinabi natin intrinsically, within ourselves, sa inner self natin. Pero pag sinabi natin extrinsically, yung mga environment na nasa paligid natin. So, although there are more specific factors available in different books, the Department of Education classified these 3 factors. Okay, meron daw tayo 3 factors. So, career developmental concept, career development factor. So, these are the factors. We have here the personal. So, in personal, student personal preference and habit play a vital role in career development. So, his or her self-assessment contribute to his or her career choice, hence personal decision-making. Meron tayong personal decision-making. As discussed in the preceding module, personality traits develop one way of thinking and acting, directing an individual to choosing a career option he or she find himself or self best for. So, di ba, meron tayong mga personal choice, mga personal na wants. And for academic, students create a huge sense of evaluation within themselves by checking and reviewing their academic performance. So, dito na papasok yung ating acad performance. So, by doing, there is a clear assistance on their strengths and weaknesses, which they may use in choosing and developing career they think is suited for them. Okay? So, kung yung sa performance natin, malalaman natin ano ba yung best career na para sa atin. Kaya nga nakakaroon tayo ng strand ngayong senior high school kasi alam natin na ito yung career na gusto natin. And in familial naman, since humans are social in nature and that people are at times influenced by their surroundings, leaning on to a certain career path may be affected by familial factors. So having that said so, some students may anchor their decision with the environment where they grew or where they are exposed to. Okay? So in familial, dito yung sa atin kung ano yung nakikita natin na mga career ng ating kapamilya. So nagkakaroon to ng factor sa atin na pwedeng yun din yung maging career natin dahil yun yung nakikita natin at yun yung alam natin. Okay, so other factors we have here, the interest, of course, na-discuss na natin to, the aptitude or the natural ability, ibig sabihin ay yung kakayahan natin, the work values, and the personality type na meron tayo. It is also noteworthy that a wrong career choice may lead to a certain complication that may impede someone's growth, okay? Leading to compromising the welfare of the whole company. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, dapat i-compromise din natin. Ano ba talaga yung gusto natin? Kasi if we are doing that na hindi naman natin gusto yung ating career, it could lead on the loss of motivation, of interest or frustration, poor productivity or absenteeism or high turnover rate. So, yung sinasabi natin na parang magre-resign ka na, ganon. So, these are the dahil nga hindi mo na-consider yung mga factors na pipiliin mong career. Okay? So, thank you for listening and that's all.